That means in today's video, there will be a giveaway. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave in the comments down below how your day is going. Mine's doing, it could be a little better because you guys know that I usually do Ipsy versus Ipsy, but we only have one Ipsy bag this month. So if you want to know the reason why and what is in my October 2019 Ipsy Glam bag, then just stay tuned. All right, before I begin, I don't know if you can see how red my hand is. I just did an unboxing and I swatched a lipstick and I legit had a allergic reaction to it. It was really red and it's starting to go down. I've never had that happen before. But anywho, so I have been doing for over a year, maybe about a year and a half, I have been doing Ipsy versus Ipsy, and I always do two different profiles. So I do my own, my real profile, which I'm 43, dark hair, blue eyes, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. And then I do an opposite one that says I'm 25, red hair, brown eyes, and I'm not that comfortable with makeup. And I want to see how similar they are. Does Ipsy really go by profiles? And I really enjoyed doing that. But as you guys know, you have the Ipsy Ultimate that came. So what you have to do to get two different Ipsy bags, you have to have two different emails. So I would have mine where I always paid for my Ipsy Glam bag, and then I also paid for my Ipsy Plus. And then another email I pay for the second Ipsy Glam bag, which now is $12 a month. And so I signed up for the Ultimate on the waiting list, what was it, last month or the month before, whenever it was. And I got my Ipsy Ultimate, that was fine. And on the second, when you go in and you can see if you want to do any add-ons or whatever, they canceled my bag subscription. And I don't know why, because I didn't say to. So on the second that I looked and like I said, I had to reorder it, resubscribe. And I'm going to show you what it says as of today. So hold the phone. Okay, today is October 17th when I am filming this. And as you can see, it says, for the glam bag, your glam bag is coming. Thanks for signing up. We'll email you as soon as your glam bag is ready. So on the 17th, they still haven't even prepared my bag. So I didn't want to wait any longer. So I'll just show you this month what I got in my profile, and hopefully everything gets squared away. They took my money on the second. Hopefully everything will get squared away, and next month we can return to the Ipsy versus Ipsy. So let me know in the comments down below, did you have that issue with Ipsy this month? Did they cancel you when they weren't supposed to? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, so in my profile, again, I say that I'm 43, dark hair, I think I said I have black hair, blue eyes, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. I did do some add-ons, so that means in today's video, there will be a giveaway. I love giving back to you. I try to do a giveaway in almost every single video. All right, so let's pull out and I can show you. First, I will show you, let's put that over there, the bag, and I love this bag. So this is Betty Boop, and on the back is the black sequence. Now I prefer this than the other bags that came in the Ipsy Plus and the Ultimate. They were the same bag, but this is really, really pretty. And you got a little B for Betty. All right, so let's see what we got. So you get a card in here, and the theme for the Ipsy this month for October is Flaunt It. And I'm kind of surprised they didn't do more like of a Halloween-y feel. I don't know. All right, so it does not give you prices, but it does tell you everything that you're getting, and it gives you like little informations on it, which I do enjoy that. All right. So the first thing I got is from Murad. This is the Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. So I give this to my 15-year-old son because he's starting to go through puberty. So this does work. I don't suffer from a lot of acne, but I had a sample of this before and my son used it and it did work. So I'm glad to get this again. He will be glad. So it just says this powerful gel cleanser is infused with 15% encapsulated salicylic acid, I know I butchered that, to combat acne and breakouts immediately and over time. So, all right. The next thing we got is this Betty Boop lipstick. I'm not going to open this because in my Ipsy Plus, if you want to watch that video, I got the whole collection of the Betty Boop. So I did swatches and everything else at the end after I unboxed the Ipsy Plus, if you want to check that out. So because I already have this, this will be in today's giveaway. And this one is in the shade Mauve It Baby. This is the shade I actually like better than the other one. In that collection, you get 2 bullet lipsticks, a red one and like a mauve one, and I preferred this color. So hopefully you guys will like that as well, whoever wins. All right, the next thing I got is like a little, this is a brush, like a pack-in brush. This says a concealer brush, but I don't use these type of brushes for concealers. I like to pack it on. So I do enjoy getting brushes, any brushes. I don't care if it was a dollar brush. I love brushes. So I'm happy for that. 2 more things. The next thing is olive oil face mask for deep cleansing. Okay, so this is from Aphrodite Skincare right there. I don't think I've ever seen this before in an Ipsy. I don't know what's going on with my lighting. Every time I do late night videos, I always have problems with this lighting. I gotta get it together. All right, so let's read a little bit about this. It says, let's see, the ingredients are natural, effective, and feel good on your skin, made with olive oil that's rich in vitamins A and E. This mask helps hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin. Plus, it's an antibacterial properties that help fight acne. All right, anything that will hydrate my skin, I love. So I'm happy to try that. And last but not least is this Lenny eyeshadow right there. This is in the shade Byron Bay. It's a loose eyeshadow, so it's like a pigment. Let's open her up and see. This is a pretty shade. Can I get it open? Oh my God, I can't turn it. Why? I have carpal tunnel and I cannot. Oh my God, I can't get it open. Oh, duh, there's a sticker. Okay, let's try that now. Ah. All right, so then there's a sticker in there. So let me see if I can get this out. All right, finally got it. So let's pour some on right there. Oh, that's pretty. This is like a pink color, but it's a duochrome and it has some like gold in it. I don't know what you'll be able to see, but it's quite beautiful. This will be, I don't reach for a lot of loose pigments, but this I definitely will. This is gorgeous. All right, so let's recap what we got in this bag and then I'll go over the giveaway stuff. All right, so I got this concealer brush, but I will use it for packing on a shimmer or whatever. Then I got the olive oil face mask. I got the Murad cleanser, which I will give to my son. And I also got this lipstick that will be in today's giveaway. And again, this loose powder. Love that. I think it's more, I guess it's half and half with the skincare and makeup. Do you think this fits a 43-year-old profile? I say I'm very comfortable with makeup. So, I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this bag for October? All right, if you stayed this long, let's talk about what's going to be in the giveaway. So, of course, we have that lipstick, and then these are what I did for add-ons for you guys. So then there will be an Ipsy, this is a blush palette. Again, if you want to check out my Ipsy Plus, I don't want to open this since well, you know what, let me just open mine. So this will be yours, so then I can show you just in case what it looks like. So that, like I said, this is mine. And that is the packaging with the Betty Boop and the B on there. And it has a mirror, and these are the blushes. So when I swatched them, they were very light. I mean, I don't know if you can build it up. I didn't try. I haven't tried it on my face, but it's more natural. So hopefully you can use these shades. If not, maybe you know somebody that can. All right, then there is a separate blush in here. I got this. I don't know why I would order the blush palette and then this. Let me see what shade this is. Let's see. So, oh, it comes with a little heart. Let's see. I am having such trouble opening everything up. Okay, so this is a shade that's in that palette. So if you win, maybe you can give this to somebody else. I'll put everything back very nicely. And then it is the Betty Boop blending brush and the Betty Boop lip gloss. So that will be in today's giveaway. So again, you get the lip gloss from Betty Boop collection, you get the blending brush, you get a single blush, you get an eyeshadow palette, and you get a lipstick. So all Betty Boop stuff. And you just have to do a few things. You just have to be subscribed. So if you're not, make sure that you subscribe because I do enjoy giving back to you guys. Make sure you comment. Comment anything. Let me know how you're doing today. Let me know what you think of this bag. Anything you want. You can comment as many times as you want because I do go by a comment picker. So you can comment 10 times, 20 times, 100 times. It doesn't matter. The more times you comment, it does help you out since I do a comment picker. Watch this whole video in full because that does help me out and it helps me with the shipping. All of my giveaways are always open up international. So if you do not live in the US, you can still enter this giveaway if you would like to. And that's it, right? Oh, and rate the video. So either thumbs it up or thumbs it down, you know? That's it. It's easy peasy. I don't have my calendar right now, so I will leave it right here when this giveaway will end. And that's everything, guys. Let me know, like I said, what did you think of Ipsy? Did you have that issue with them canceling your subscription? Or do you guys want to see me keep doing Ipsy versus Ipsy? Maybe you guys don't. I don't know. But guys, don't forget to rate this video, so thumbs it up or thumbs it down. I prefer that you thumbs it up, but if you don't like this type of video, thumbs it down. That way I know. Make sure you do comment and yeah, subscribe. And turn that post notification bell on to all so you can be notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.